Have you been super stressed out at work lately? Check out our August recipe box to find out some really fun recipes.
These recipes use essential oils and other natural ingredients to help soothe stress. So let's check it out. When you're a new subscriber, your recipe box will come inside a big bonus box.
Woohoo!
So inside every single recipe box that gets shipped to you each month comes 4 full-size essential oils, 6 recipes graded by aromatherapists, plus extra natural ingredients. In this month's box, the oils are Peace and Quiet, Peppermint, Sage, and Lavender. These oils combine to create some really calming and soothing aromas that can really help you unwind after a stressful day. In each box, you also get labels and 6 recipe cards. The extras in this month's box include purple Brazilian clay, a natural clay that you can use to help detox your skin, citric acid, which is going to help create some fun, bubbly bath recipes, and a lava rock shower diffuser.
That looks super fun. And as a new subscriber, you get a big bonus box, and then every 6 boxes, you get another free big bonus box. So let's check that out. So each bonus box is going to come with a beeswax package, solid coconut oil, and almond oil, and also fractionated coconut oil, 6 of our 5 milliliter bottles to make your diffuser blends, 6 of our 10 milliliter roll-on bottles to make all those lovely roll-ons.
You'll be using the things in your big bonus box to make your recipes in your recipe box. We don't use every ingredient every month, but you'll often use it the following months.
So let's get going making those recipes.
Have fun learning how to use essential oils to help soothe stress.
See you later.